Ford Exploder AC not working diagnosis. I could hear the clutch engaging, but the pressures would never change on the gauges, and it's because the clutch is bad. See how it just wobbles around like that, and it just turns, and the center's not spinning. Even if I try to force it, the compressor is bad. It's just spinning around on there and wobbling. Replace the compressor and a few other parts now because the compressor went bad. AC system will be up and running again.